Earth is not collapsing because humanity is immoral. Earth is destabilizing because it has reached a physical constraint. This distinction matters. Moral explanations comfort us. Physical explanations force responsibility. Every planetary system operates under limits. Energy limits, material limits, and spatial limits. Civilizations do not fail when they become evil. They fail when their complexity exceeds what their planet can support. Earth is approaching that threshold. Population growth, energy consumption, industrial density, atmospheric loading, and ecological extraction are no longer linear problems. They are interacting variables. Each amplifies the others. For most of human history, Earth appeared infinite. Forests regrew, oceans diluted waste. Atmospheres absorbed emissions. This illusion shaped human psychology. The belief that consequences arrive slowly or not at all. That illusion has ended. Earth is finite. Its regenerative capacity is finite. Its buffering systems are finite. This does not mean collapse is guaranteed. It means delay is no longer neutral. When a planetary system enters a constraint phase, three outcomes are possible. The first is unmanaged overshoot, where consumption continues until systems fail abruptly. The second is enforced contraction, where collapse forces reduction through famine, conflict, or ecological breakdown. The third is managed transition, where intelligence intervenes early, redistributing load and reducing pressure before failure becomes irreversible. Planetary cycle theory identifies Earth as standing precisely at this junction. Technology alone cannot solve this. Technology increases capacity, but it also increases demand. Without structural reorganization, innovation accelerates depletion rather than preventing it. This is why Earth restoration cannot be framed as environmentalism. It must be framed as systems engineering. The question is not whether Earth can be saved. The question is whether civilization can mature fast enough to operate within planetary limits. If Earth were observed from outside our solar system, this moment would be obvious. A technological species has reached the edge of its home world's carrying capacity and must either expand, restructure, or collapse. This is not a crisis of belief. It is a test of intelligence. Earth does not need sympathy. It needs redesign. And redesign requires abandoning the idea that humanity is the center of the system. In the next episode, we will examine why intelligence without planetary perspective repeatedly fails, and why anthropocentrism is the most dangerous legacy we have carried forward from the past.